Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to disable the snapping feature when working with elements in your designs. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up one of your existing designs from your workspace. Select any element you'd like to move freely, whether that's an image, text box, shape, or any other object on your canvas. Here's the trick. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while you drag the element, and snapping will be disabled temporarily. With Control held down, you'll notice the element moves smoothly without locking to any grid lines or other objects, giving you complete control over placement. One important tip: release your mouse button to place the element first, then let go of the Control key to ensure it stays exactly where you want it. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to turn off snapping for precise element positioning. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.